Hey guys, this is Jessi Rae. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be giving you guys a tutorial. It's going to be a three-part tutorial. We're going to be going through aerial sit into coffin pose, and then we'll be moving into Monterey. I hope you enjoy, and always make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you so much. So you're going to get started with the silk in front of you, and we're going to come up to standing. So placing the fabric underneath the arch of one foot, doesn't matter which foot that you start with, reaching your arms up, coming up to a standing position, and trying to come up with little to no swing. Once you're up, placing both feet on the silk. We're going to talk about right and left sides of the silk. So when I mention the right side of silk, that's the silk that's going to be on the right side of your body. When I mention the left, it's going to be the one on the left side of the body. So right now we're going to be thinking about using the right side. So I'm going to go ahead and take my hips and I'm going to shift them a little bit. So I'm placing the right side of the silk directly in between my butt cheeks. From here, I'm going to bring my right shoulder in front, switching the grip so the thumb points down. Once I have that placed, I'm able to turn my body to the left, position a little bit more weight into the left foot, and lifting the right leg. Once I'm here, I want to make sure the right foot is turned out. I'm going to slide the right foot up onto that left side of the silk, making sure that the silk fits right into the arch of the foot. Once I have that placed, I'm going to start to extend that right leg, lowering myself down. So do that and bending that left knee, sliding myself all the way down. Once I got my weight down into the silk, I'm going to take this left leg up and on top. So if you notice, and if you can see from the video, my feet are in two separate directions. So my right foot, the toes are extended out towards the right. On my left foot, the toes are extended out towards the left. Once I have those feet placed, I want to make sure my legs are nice and long, full extension of the legs, and I want to see if I can find my balance. So this is going to be the first part of your three-part tutorial. So this is called aerial sit. You can do anything you want with the arms, and add a little bit of decorations while you're here. From here, we're going to go into coffin. So this is a perfect setup because we're already halfway in the pose, basically. So I'm going to take both hands to that right side of the fabric. Now it's going to be right behind me. I'm going to press the feet away at the same time of lifting the hips and extending the body nice and long. So I'm going to take that right side of the silk, placing it right across the high trap. It's up to you which side you might want to do. It's kind of nice to do both sides just to balance it out. So dropping my head to one side, exposing the fabric right onto my high trap. And then whenever I'm ready, I'm going to start to press the feet away, lift those hips up, and drop the head back. So this is going to be your coffin pose. Make sure you lift the hips. If the hips are down, it's going to be a little bit more uncomfortable and you might feel a little heavy. So you're really pressing and lifting up, pushing out through those legs. Finding coffin pose. Hold for a few seconds, and then gently come back to your aerial sit. From here, moving into Monterey. So again, we're basically halfway there. So we're going to take this top leg, your left leg, we're going to drop that towards the ground. Make sure not to buckle the right knee. You want to keep actively pressing with the right leg. So the right leg's connecting the silk. We're going to take the left hand and we're actually going to move it so we're reaching in front of the fabric. When you do that, you want your palm to be facing back. You're going to move the silk more behind the left shoulder, so you're leaning forward slightly. From here, we're going to press the right foot even further away, lifting the hips up a little bit. So with your right hand, you can reach down and catch up all this silk, and you're just going to move it to the outer line of that leg. So if you see, the silk should be lined up with that leg. Once you have this, lean back, so push your back into the silk. With your right hand, your free hand, you're going to reach down and see if you can catch hold of the top of the foot. If you can get that, press the foot into the hand to the foot, and open up to Monterey. Whenever you're ready to get out, you're going to take that right hand, that free hand, push it down on the silk, take the left foot down, and then the right foot down. And there you have it. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching.